games, a simple concept with one goal, completing it. On this video, we'll show you exactly how I built my own Obby game from scratch in just 2 weeks. Let's get started. First, delete the base plate and then make the Obby game. And it's done. First, let's make our leader stats. But what is a leader stat? It is the thingy that appears on the top right of your screen. Anyway, doing the same obstacles over and over again seems boring. So my Obby game will have a twist. That means it will be randomly generated. Now I have to make the random generation script. I think I've made it. So let's test it. Oh no, what have I done?
2 hours later.
It took me quite some time to make the generation script, but I think I've done it. After completing the generation script, because I'm a script master, I have to make the obstacles. To make the obstacles, I have to group them and add as the primary part and secondary part. After I made some obstacles for the game, I decided that it would be a good idea to doom scroll. I kinda gave up on the game because modeling sucks, but a sense of motivation kicked in. Anyway, let's continue making the game. After coding for quite some time, I fixed some bugs and optimized the code. And suddenly an idea came to mind. I should add different modes in the game to add some spice. So the game for now will contain 3 modes: normal mode, speed mode, gravity mode. To implement this, I used a module script that chooses the next game mode by chance, using the weight system. Now, let's make the UI of the game. Let's start by making the basic 4 buttons, a shop button for the game passes to make some money, the global leaderboard, a spectate button, and lastly a settings button. I finished making the buttons and it came out pretty good. I like the movement when the cursor reaches the button and the small animation when opening the UIs. In the shop I've added 2 game passes, a game pass that doubles your money income and a faster respawn. Also you can purchase some coins and I will tell you later where you can use the coins. The global leader stat shows the top 50 players that have the most stages, settings manipulate the UI, and lastly the spectate button, which lets you spectate other players only if there are more than one player in the game. Now, I will tell you how to use the coins. The coins are made with a sole purpose: troll the others. By pressing the troll button, you kill the other player. Also, I have this brilliant idea to add a progression bar. Each player can see their progression in the game. Now, all we have to do is to do some polishing, meaning that I have to make some animations and some particles when the player walks, jumps, etc. So this is what I have done. When jumping, there are particles on the character's hands, and when landing there are particles on the ground. To make the game more satisfying, I added some sounds and visual effects when player passes a stage. Here is the full game. I believe I made a game that looks decent. It was a good experience and I was having a good time making it. I will have a link in the description for anyone who wants to try it, and thanks very much for watching. I will see you around.